Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I created cut crease makeup look by using Saturn palette. And if you want to know how I got this look, so please keep on watching. And before that, please subscribe my channel, and without any further delay, let's move on to the video. First I'm going to hydrate my skin. For that I'm using Pond's moisturizer cream. It's contain glycerin and vitamin E. It will keep your skin very soft and fresh. And there is another one, it's a gel based. It's contain hyaluronic acid and vitamin E. It's help to reduce wrinkle and redness. Next for primer, I'm gonna to use Wet n Wild Photofocus matte face primer. It's help to minimize pores and fill fine lines, and it's give even skin tone. Next is time to cover my hyperpigment. For that I'm going to use my all-time favorite LA Pro orange corrector. It is a buildable and buildable formula, and it's provide natural coverage, covering dark patches around my mouth, under eye and hollow cheekbones. If someone of you not having dark patches on your face means, you guys can skip this step and directly move to the foundation. And I'm blending with concealer brush. For foundation, I'm going with LA Pro HD foundation in the shade Warm Caramel, and it's lightweight formula with full coverage, and it's paraben free. I'm just dotting that all over my face and then blending with Damn Beauty sponge. To highlight my face, and I'm going to use Maybelline concealer in the shade Golden. going to blend the liner by using small pencil brush. Next, I'm gonna to use this gold foil shade on top of the concealer. I don't know why people are not talking about Beauty Glazed product. It's so amazing pigment. Believe me guys, it's working very well. For giving more dark effect, I'm going to use black shade from Pupa palette and I'm smudging with kajal. Next for the mascara, I'm using Maybelline Total Temptation Mascara. It's giving nice volume to the lashes. For contouring my face, I'm using my LA Girl contour powder in the shade Medium Deep. One of the best contour powder for dark skin. And it's give smooth and silky powder formula. Just contouring on my hollow cheekbones, jaw lines, nose bridge and forehead. And for the blush, I gonna to use Biotic Natural Makeup Blush in the shade Sun Kissed Tan, and it's 100% organic, paraben free and cruelty free. For the highlighter, I'm using Sugar Cosmetics highlighter, highlighting on my cheekbones, nose tips, cupid and brow bone. Finally, for my lips, I'm using my all-time favorite lipstick from Sephora, Cream Lip Stain in the shade 41 and 42. It will give nice velvet finishing to your lip and it's long lasting too. This is the final look I created today. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial guys. So please like and share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.